In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Deoxys in Pokemon Emerald. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the description down below and use the codes on the software that you are using to run Pokemon Emerald. So what you would normally need to do is you would need to go to this top menu, press on Tools, select over here, and then from there, you're able to go ahead and input all of the different codes. Be sure that you also remember the titles as well and make sure that they are in this order just like this. Now, once you have the codes done, then what you want to do is you want to make your way to any Pokemart. And in this Pokemart, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and buy items like you normally would. So check this out. It's going to say welcome, then select on buy. And now you'll notice that Pokeball is going to be $0 and it is going to say it is going to take you to Birth Island. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and buy the ticket right over here. Make sure to go ahead and press on yes. And then once you're done with that, then you can go ahead and leave the store right over here. So let's select on quit. Go back out here, and now we need to go ahead and fly away, and we need to make our way towards Lily Cove City. So let's go ahead and make our way there using our flying type. All right, once we're here, all you want to do is you want to make your way down here, then go to the left and keep on going, then go down here, go there, and then inside this building just like so. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and talk to this NPC right over here. There you go. Then you're going to go ahead and show them your ticket, and they're going to say perfect. And then it's going to ask you where you would like to go. And then you're going to see this option that says Birth Island. So go ahead and check that. And then from there, you are now going to be on board on the ship right over here. So now just go ahead and wait for it. And then there you go. So now all you need to do is you need to go ahead and walk up here. And it is going to take you to the Birth Island where you're able to go ahead and actually find Deoxys. Now, before you actually get to Deoxys, you are going to need to go ahead and solve this puzzle. So let me go ahead and show you how to solve it. So you want to go ahead and click on it right over here. And the way it works is that you need to take the minimum amount of steps required to reach the triangle again. So you want to take as little steps as possible. Do not go in circles or anything like that. Otherwise, the puzzle is going to reset. So let me go ahead and just show you, and you can just copy my moves. So let's just go ahead and go to the left, then go down, go to the center, go up here, go down, go here. Now, here's where things get a little bit tricky. You actually want to go up here, then to the left, and I'm trying to avoid cutting this video too much, just so they're able to see exactly what's going on. Then you want to go right here, then like this, then you want to go down here, click on it, and then one more time, you want to go to the right, and then click on it, and now all you need to do is you need to go down here, and then one more time up here just like this. And that is going to go ahead and spawn in Deoxys for you. So all you need to do is you need to go ahead and wait for him. And oh my goodness, the pure aura. I just had to take a couple screenshots. But yeah, from here, you're able to go ahead and fight Deoxys. And you now have the chance to capture him. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.